Our parcel from kcdg.ph arrived today. We bought the items from their shop on Shopee. The delivery was fast and all the items that we bought are great quality pieces at an affordable price. Each of the items are individually packed, which helps for the items to be undamaged and arrive safely in our home. All of the items that we bought will be linked down in the description box below. There are a lot of varieties to choose from. Its design, color, and size. Here is a detailed view and you can clearly see the actual size of the products. I hope you enjoy watching our videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye! Thank you for watching and stay safe.